I did. Alright, so I went and got some ephemera. I don't know what I want to use yet, so I have all kinds in there. That one's, oh, you know what? That one's cute. I should use this one for a little pocket right here as a little tuck spot for a little tag, you know. And I did make these. Will this fit in here perfectly? Yes. That will work, but this is a little too big. Wonder if that will match better. Let's have a look. See, I don't want that tag for sure. These are the ones I made the other day. Oh, the one with the bird is so cute. That might work there. We need a little more color. Let's have a look and let's see what's in this one. That's so cute, but that might be too small. I have been cutting and cutting. Oh, I love that little girl. Nope, that's not going to work either. I need a long one. Postcard? Huh. Miniature postcard. That might work. That might work. It is boring though. That one's boring. That's not wide enough. These are all... Jeez.
You okay?
Yeah. I'm good. Oh, okay. That's got some color. Okay, we'll use that one before I change my mind. Let's just use that one. Alright, let's ink her up. That one's so cute. I think I'm going to use the Eiffel Tower. That's the one I think I'm going to use. Because look at how nice it is. You can journal on the back. Wonder if I should use a grommet. Yeah. Okay, so we'll glue this down here and make this a little tuck spot. Actually, I'm not going to use a tag at all. I'm going to use some ephemera. Maybe I'll use some small snippet stuff like this. We'll see. I just don't want to cover up this beautiful botanical flower, so that's the only reason why I don't want to do that.
I don't blame you there.
Yeah. Maybe just tuck in some cute little ephemera. Okay.
Did you glue up the side, up one side on that, or just on the bottom?
It's not complete. Yeah, this here is going to glue inside of the book on the edge of a page. So let's pick out. Let's see what we've got. All kinds of ephemeras. This is all bigger stuff, I think. These are all peoples. Hey, maybe a peoples would be cute. Let's have a look. That's too big. She looks like a gypsy. Hey, I know what I could use. A paper doll. Let's use a paper doll, Karen.
Paper doll?
Paper doll, a Tim Holtz paper doll.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so where are my Tim Holtz paper dolls? Right here. I love these paper dolls. Oh my goodness, I love these little kids. That is so cute. And you could journal on the back of these. Yeah, that's basically... Do we want this one too? Paper dolls. Those are adorable. What do you guys think of that? I like just a little too much. Oh, she's adorable. Maybe I'd rather have this one. No. I don't know. There's too many here. Too many to pick from.
That's all the fun of crafting.
Yes. Oh my gosh, these two little girls are adorable. We'll put Mama behind. Do I have a bigger Mama? Oh, we have Mom and Dad. The two little girls. Is that going to be too big? No, sorry, Bob. That is super cute. I think we'll do that. But then I'm covering up my botanicals, which I very well said I don't want to do. Let's just find a small one. That's a wedding.
Since you got botanicals, what about butterflies?
Yeah, I got butterflies. Those would be with, or maybe they will be here. My butterflies. Oh, this one's so beautiful. I could use these two butterflies. And you can write on the backs of them. That's the thing. You can journal on these. You know what? A little tiny butterfly up there would be super cute. So super cute. I think I'm going to stick a little tiny butterfly up there. Alright. We made up our mind, Karen.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just going to ink all of these babies up. And actually I should put these on stronger paper because they're really flimsy. I know what I could use. Don't even talk to me about it. Don't even talk to me about it. I could use this. Hey. We'll glue these down and cut them all out again, and then I'll just ink them up then. That way, whoa. That glue just went ballistic on me. Don't need
I hate when it comes rushing out.
Yeah.
Have you ever used the white chipboard?
Yes, I don't like it.
Why?
Well, because one side of it is white and one side of it is craft color. I don't care for it. I just use the solid black or the solid craft color on the back.
Yeah, well, I'm looking at the black now at Walmart. Compared to yesterday, I mean, it's like it's going up for $33.51.
Oh, that's cheap.
Yeah, I ain't buying it.
I get mine from Amazon. It's not that much.
Yeah, that's where I need to go, Amazon.
Yes. So I like to just bend my butterflies, you know, just give them a little bit of dimension. Just, you know, just a little dimension. And then we'll stick you right there. You're just so cute. And we'll cut these guys out. And I think I'm going to use my favoriteest pen on there. Am I out? Can't be. I didn't think so. I did not think so. Just unscrew this, I think. Get rid of that. And we'll sparkle up these butterflies. Let's give it a squeeze. Shakey-dee shake. And the stuff is coming down. I could see it. There we go. And we'll just give these guys a little bit of sparkle. Holy crap. That really came out way too much.
What are you doing over there, Ruby?
Oh, making a mess. You know how it is.
I know how it is.
Do I ever do anything nicely and neatly? No. I just don't ever want to run out of this sparkly stuff. Ever. Oh, that gave it a lot of prettiness. There we go. I'm going to dry it and put another coat on it because for some reason this stuff doesn't want to stick to this laser printing stuff. It's kind of annoying. Oh, let's put a second coat on. There we go. I don't care about the edges because I'm cutting this out anyway. So not going to matter.
Wow, what am I doing?
There we go. That looks good. Whoopsies. Oh, that's pretty. Beautiful. Oh, can you guys see? Can you see the beautiful shimmer or shine? I don't know if I could show you guys in the camera, but okay. I'm not saying I'll cut this out very perfectly, but hey, I'll try my best because I believe my Scan and cut this out. But hey, I could try. And then you could journal on the backs of the butterflies. On this old ledger paper. I think that's cutting out pretty cool. Ta-da. Let's get a little piece there. Look at that. How cute is that? This pretty green one. And I don't like green, but this green butterfly is a cute color. It's like a, like an olive green maybe? Yeah, it looks like an Italian olive green. So cute. I'm not cutting this out too perfect, but good enough. And there's still some ledger paper showing over here. And right there. There. How cute is that? And right there. Alright. I love those butterflies. Let's get these inked up. They have to be inked up. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. You just sit it in there. And I think he's stuck down pretty good.
Ruby, can you remember that one re-inker I told you I couldn't find and I needed to reorder it?
Was it mahogany?
No, Vintage Photo, that's what it was.
Vintage Photo? You found it?
No, I didn't find it. That's why I'm at Amazon. I'm going to order it.
That's where I get my re-inkers from. Sometimes from scrapbook.com, but there we go, guys. What do you got? I don't know what fell. Oh, okay. I see what fell. I knocked it off my shelf. This, I'm just wondering, if I bought these for my kits, these little things, that the little butterflies will fit in here. In a little clear little case. Get my gluey fingers out of that. Oh my gosh, they do. Put the butterflies in here. Like so. And this
Holy crap, are they crazy?
Do I like that? No. Nope. Nope. Anyway, I'm just going to leave these. Why are they expensive?
Well, $13.50
For
$6.98 shipping.
wow, that's crazy. So, what do you guys think of today's show? So that will be the end of this video, and I'm going to come back on another video, and we're going to work on some other project, and you guys are probably going to love it. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you real soon. God bless. Bye, everyone.